Hey hackers, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure DOAs on SecBSD, the only supported way to perform privilege escalation on this system. Before we begin, quick thanks to our sponsors, Lalo and OpenBSD Amsterdam. Your support keeps this project alive. Before we touch the terminal, there's something important you need to understand. SecBSD uses DOAs. There is no sudo command on SecBSD. It is not included and not available as a package. We don't use sudo. We will not use sudo. And we have no plans to ever use it in the future. This is not a limitation. This is a design decision. And part of the SecBSD philosophy, SecBSD follows a minimalistic security model. Minimal tools, explicit privilege escalation, and no unnecessary complexity. Log in normally and open a terminal switch to root. Type your root password. SecBSD provides an example configuration file for reference only create /etc/doas.conf. And make sure to type the command exactly as I'm doing in the terminal. In one command echo, permit user, >etc/doas.conf. Replace user with your actual login name. And that's it. Welcome to the Paranoid Club. Huge shout out to Banshee, Heartbleed, X0 Dark, Out of Creativity, and BSD Bandit. Special thanks to Chaos Computer Club, Electronic Disturbance Theater, and Exploit Team. Let's hack the planet.